Finding the model number on your Samsung TV is essential for troubleshooting, finding the correct remote control, and accessing firmware updates. In this step-by-step guide, we will walk you through how to locate the model number on your Samsung TV. Step 1. Check the back of the TV. The first place to check is the back of the TV. Most Samsung TVs have a label or sticker on the back panel that contains the model number. Look for a small rectangular label or sticker, usually near the bottom edge of the TV. The model number is typically printed alongside other information, such as the serial number and power specifications. Step 2. Use the TV's settings menu. If you can't find the model number on the back of your TV, you can easily find it through the TV's on-screen settings. Turn on the TV and press the home button on your Samsung remote. Navigate to Settings Support about this TV. Here, you will see the model number listed alongside other details like the software version and serial number. Step 3. Check the user manual. If you still have the user manual that came with your Samsung TV, you can find the model number printed on the cover page or in the technical specifications section. This is especially helpful if your TV is wall-mounted and you can't access the back easily. Step 4. Look on the original box. If you kept the original packaging of your Samsung TV, the model number will usually be printed on the box, often on a side panel or near the barcode. Step 5. Samsung account or online service. If you registered your TV with a Samsung account or have connected it to the internet, you can also log into your Samsung account on the website or use the Samsung SmartThings app to find the model number. By following these simple steps, you can quickly find the model number of your Samsung TV. Knowing your TV's model number is crucial for support, software updates, and finding the right accessories for your TV.